Honey, this was not what we agreed. Eh? That girl I saw in that shop is too big to be a sales girl. I want you to sack her. Sack her.
Jenny, my love, don't make me call you a complainant. You're just using elderly person eye to look at that girl. She's a small girl. I'm telling you, she just has big body, big bones. You know these children who eat a lot and grow over bloated.
You cannot deceive me on this one. Yes, is it not this girl I saw? She is too big. Honey, we agreed that you will employ small girls. Girls that just finished secondary school. Eh? That girl I saw there, no, she is too big. Sack her. I don't want her in that shop.
Jenny, my love, there is nothing in this thing. You're just making a mountain out of a molehill. That girl is a small girl. In fact, they call her church girl. They call her church girl, and that kind of girl, your money is safe with her. And she can always attract customers.
Eh? Honey?
Huh?
Are you trying to use another man's daughter to make money?
That is not it. Please, honey, we can't keep talking about this girl.
Yeah, but you said she will attract customers.
Okay, I will start employing smaller girls. Okay, it's okay. Please get me my food. Let me eat so I can go for my meeting.
I will get you your food, but I want you to sack that girl. Eh? Sack her.
I will bring a smaller girl.
She's too big to be a sales girl. Okay.
Do you know that your sister is not yet back since morning? I've not seen her.
You mean Norma is not back at this time of the night?
I've been so worried. I kept calling you people's line, but the network wasn't connecting.
Wait, Mama. You mean you checked her room and she is not there by this time of the night?
She's not back.
Ago, let us go to that fool's house. Mama, if I get there and I find her in that fool's house, they will both regret themselves today.
Please, bring her back for me.
Yeah, don't worry
Please.
yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
Honey? Where are you going to?
Something in my spirit was just telling me to go down and watch the news.
Yes. But we have TV here. Why are you going downstairs?
It's disrespectful to put the TV while you are sleeping. I don't want to disturb you.
Honey, you had a hectic day today. You ought to be resting. You ought to be sleeping.
I'm feeling sleepy. So I thought I should go downstairs and watch one of these boring programs. Maybe you'll just send me to sleep. Then I'll come and sleep.
No problem. Just go. I want to sleep.
Okay. Sorry to disturb you.
No problem. Don't stay long.
Who is here? Who is here?
Oye Neti. Collins. Simon. What is it by your time? I'm very certain it's late.
Hey, listen. You are lucky you are the one that came out. I thought your brother would have been the one that would see us so that I will show him how we feel. Go in right there. Tell him to bring out our sister now.
My brother? Your sister? I don't know what you're talking about.
What he is trying to say is that our sister is not home by this time. And if she's not home, the only place in the world that she can be is here. So you go in there, bring out our sister before we start displaying the madness that we have in us.
Don't worry, there will not be any need for that. And I learned you both were here this morning. And my sister said some things to you. So that which she told you is exactly the way it is. Of course. Because we self, are your children normal here? We don't want her in our home. And as for my brother, he went to the city. We've not seen him. So your sister Norma is not in our house. You know where?
Oh, I see. Ago, let's go.
Our sister is not here, Abi.
Tell your brother that the battle line has been drawn. Oh yes.
Okay, don't come to
we'll give him war soon. When the guy pour here.
You are standing on this ground. This is a ground of battle.
Our sister is not
land of battle, okay? No, so don't talk about battle here. Hi. Kenechuku. Iba, you go one chance. This is good for you.
Hello, my sweet Asa. Asampetewa mama. How are you doing? I just called to know how. Are you okay? It's good. I've not been able to sleep now since. I'm just thinking whether... see, tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow to come so that I can see you in the morning. Please. Asa, I've not been able to sleep. I just dream of you all the time. Asa. Like 6 containers, I don't know. It's not.
Who are you talking with by this time of the night?
My dear, something terrible just happened. You know my friend Ifeanyi?
Ifeanyi,
They just seized these containers.
Hi. Oh, Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi Bukwanezigbo mmadụ.
He's a very good person.
What a bad news.
Very terrible. But what I'm thinking about is that I don't have 2 million to contribute to anybody. That's what I'm thinking. So anyway, I don't know what to do about it. But it's okay. By the way, why? You are not sleeping. Why?
Why will I sleep with this kind of bad news? I am already here. Let's watch TV.
TV? Yeah. Okay. What channel will you want to watch?
Any channel, anyone.
Like CNN or channels?
CNN is even better. Maybe we will have information what happened to the container.
It's okay.
CNN.
Me, I want to go and sleep. I don't know.
You can't sleep. Let's watch CNN. We need information.
It's okay.
Put CNN.
Stop right there. Come.
Sam, what is it now? What's wrong with you this morning?
Enter this house, I will disfigure your face this morning.
What have I done to you this morning? Where are you coming from? It's not your business.
Mama, if you enter this house, I will disfigure you this morning. Are you mad?
Simon, what is wrong with you?
Where are you coming from?
What is wrong with you?
Where are you coming from?
Norma, where did you sleep last night?
I was at Teacher's place.
Where are you coming from? Eh?
I was at the German's place. What's been on?
Where are you coming from? Eh?
Mama. What is it now? All of you. What is it?
You went to Ijeoma's place? You don't even know what you're trying to get yourself into until when it happens. And trust me, when it happens, I will not be there for you. Because I know you. You will come to us for help. I will not be there for you. Mama Okinia, I will not be there for her.
Norma, why do you want to bring problem into my family?
Mama, what do you call problem? That I want to marry a man that I love. A man that has been there for me. If that is what you call problem, no problem. I accept it. But let me tell you all that it is either him or nobody. All I know is that nobody will take away my rights in this house.
What did
nobody.
You say? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say?
Wait, calm down.
Mama,
Mama, you are this girl.
Can you people listen to me? We have to plan for this girl. I'm telling you boys the truth.
Mama.
When are you going back to the city?
Mama, how about going back? Let me beat this girl now.
Don't.
I call this girl.
No, we have to have serious plan for her. When are you boys going back to the city?
In the evening.
Mama, we'll go later in the evening. We'll go back later in the evening.
No problem.
Hello? Oh God. How are you now? Eh? Mama? What happened to Mama? What do you mean Mama is dying? Calm down and answer me now. Hey God, oh. Okay, calm down. Oh God, calm down now. Go to Johnson, go to Oga Johnson. Tell him to give you medicine and give to Mama. Tell him to give you drugs. I'll come to the village as soon as I can. I will come. Let me look for money. I will come. Don't worry, go and meet him. If I get money today, I'm coming. Just go. Hey, Chimo. Hey, God, oh God, what is this? Job I just started. When did I start this job? Which money do I have?
Your breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
I don't need it. I'm rushing out now to the office first.
You want to rush to the shop? Why? Well, you've gotten a new sales girl. Why are you always rushing? You're not from Russia.
Yes, I have a new sales girl, but she does not know everything for now. At least she'll be there and learn some more things. Then I can be safe to leave her at the shop.
You are right. Because I don't trust that girl. A girl from a poor family. She came to steal. I don't trust her.
This particular girl is not like that. She's a good girl. I told you before. I mean, by the way, I'm going to be monitoring her until she's able to stay on her own.
She just came. She is trying to learn how to steal. I don't trust her. I don't trust her. With her size, I don't trust her.
I've told you, it's okay. Very soon she will learn and I can leave her. And that girl is a good girl, like I told you. Let me go, please. I'm in a hurry.
You need to monitor her because it's better you go. Because that girl, she will be stealing money according to her size. I don't trust her. To maintain size, no. She's too big for a sales girl. It's better you go now. Go. And I did that girl with what I saw. Bow.
This is not good. It's not good. If you needed land, why didn't you talk to your brother here? How else do you want us to make you know the tradition of the land? Huh? If it is not good, in your next world, be a man. You know?
Ichie, I am keeping quiet because of what people will say. That's why I'm keeping quiet. Because very soon, I will send them out of this house.
No.
Very soon.
It has not gotten to that yet.
Ichie, how can you tell me? No, it has not gotten to that. How can you tell me that? If not that Papa Onyeka interrupted the business, my land would have been sold. Eh? If you now come more. If you now come more.
You're a very foolish boy. You're a bigger fool. As for you, Ichieze, don't let me insult you. Don't let me insult you. If you don't know what to say, where to say it, and whom to say it to, keep quiet. And do you see that land? I must sell that land.
Try it.
That land.
Try it. Try it. It's okay, man.
You can't do anything.
Try it. Try and sell the land. Then I will tell you that I'm the man of the house. Okay, man.
You're a German mango.
Okay.
You're not
Watch
a man.
Watch how you got.
You're a man when men are at work.
Okay.
Calm down. If you, if you like, insult me. If you like, grace me. I've said it all. Make peace with your brother and live in peace with him. Whatever you ask him, he will do it for you. In your father's absence, you came back from marriage. In his presence, you married. Huh? Then he gave out all he has to his only son. Here, Ekene. So, please, nobody knows that you people will return. Huh? Please, take it easy with him. Pay to him, not fight.
Let her go ahead and fight me. Don't leave her. Say you want it, come and take it now. Come and take it, let me see. Instead, I will kill you.
You will kill
me. Kumbet.
Hey!
Ma will you very soon.
You will kill me. The first daughter. The first fruit of Nzekwe's family. Nabe Micheal Nzekwe Numudim.
You will see. Bet me. Bet me. Asenge Kumbet.
You see this house? In this compound, we will draw it with our buttons. Say it. Nana.
Okay.
I will blast you like a bomb.
Okay.
Watch me.
Forget them. That's women for you. Let me ask you. I hope you went where?
Iche, I will make it. I will make it. When I know? I know. Meanwhile, we'll go there by 2. By 2 p.m.
Okay. We're going back. I'll inform Ibe and Ude. I've already told Ofodile to keep one jar of palm wine for us. One, because we're here with one wine.
Hi. Hello? Ne.
Welcome, sir.
It's your guy in?
No, sir. He has not come.
Okay, can I stay here and wait for him?
There's no problem, sir. Just sit here, sir. He'll soon be here.
So, what is that your name again?
So my name is Asa.
Hey, what a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, so...
Hey. What are you doing in my shop?
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I came to check on you. And I was told you're not in. I decided to wait for you to come back.
Decided to wait.
Honestly.
Okay, I'm back now. Come and see me. Please come outside.
Take it easy now.
Come outside. Is it not me you came to see?
Is it wrong for me to...
Come now, let's see.
I'm your friend though. Take it easy.
Let us see. Dear Henry, what did you say you were doing in my shop?
Am I not your friend? What is your problem? Can't I come and visit you?
You, Henry, hey. When did you start visiting me in my shop? Up to the extent that you'll be waiting for me. Henry. Hey. Eh? You think I don't... I saw you staring.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Eh? I didn't stare at her now. I was not staring at anybody. Why are you suspecting me now?
Henry, I know you very well. Don't think I don't know why you came to visit me. It's because of that girl. But let me just warn you. See that girl? I'm not playing with her. She's my treasure. Don't even go there.
I swear. That girl is a member of our church. That was why I was talking to her.
As your child? Eh? Henry, you. Do you go to church? What's the name of your church? Huh? Okay, sing one church song. Let me hear. You that when we were doing adoration this morning, you couldn't even open your mouth. Don't let me see you near my shop again, especially when I'm not there.
Romanus, you always suspect me because your conscience is not clear.
Don't come to my shop.
If you don't want me to come to, I will stop coming to your shop. But I'm telling you.
Go to your shop.
I was not there for her.
Everybody look at them, they're all in their shops. Go to your shop. Mark, if you want in their shop.
We are still friends, so.
When it comes to business, you come to my shop.
Hey, my sister. It's not easy. I have been begging my husband, telling him to allow me come to the shop. Let me do the work of the sales girl. After all, it's our money. We are the one eating it together. Let me do the sales girl's job so that at the end of the month, he will pay me the same money he's paying them. He said no, that we cannot put all our eggs in one basket.
The same thing with my husband. He likes sales girls instead of sales boys. I preach all the time that I want boys instead of all these girls he's bringing. Hey, he refused. Do you know what he said? That one got me. That he don't want anybody to rape his wife.
Rape his wife, go. My sister, leave all these men. They know what they are doing. Do you know it's the same thing I've been battling with my husband on? The same issue. Get a sales boy, he will say no, that he prefers sales girls. He's been battling with girls today or tomorrow he will sack another one, from one girl to another. My dear. Jennifer, I wish you could not mind. If you see the girl in the shop now, our so-called sales girl, my sister, the girl Buiru, 2 times my size. Immediately I saw her, I became uncomfortable. I was like, sis girl? Hey, Roma. Manus.
How could you even allow such to happen?
The one my husband brought now is a small girl.
I warned her that my eyes are on her. If she ever, in her entire life, tried to mess with my husband that I suffered with,
my sister, I think that is what I would do. Yes, that is what I will do to this girl. Do you know that I agreed with my husband? We agreed that he will get a small girl. I don't know why he brought that girl. When I told him to sack her, he said no, that the girl is from a poor family, that she needs help, that she's a Christian, that she's from charismatic. Hi, but all the same, my dear, I am not comfortable with that girl. I'm not safe having that girl as our sales girl. Hi.
Oh, Hanchan. Church girl. Ndoka. It's better we know what we will do before these girls will take our husbands from us.
My dear, not me, oh. Not Jennifer. Nobody will take my husband away from me. Not after all we have labored to get here. It's not possible. My husband is safe. Biko, let me open the wine for you. Oh?
Yeah, Assam Petenwa, Mama.
Sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, come on, give me a hug. Remember you didn't give me the hug yesterday. You can't just freely give me a hug.
Sir, no, now. I cannot hug you here, sir. I cannot hug you in the shop, sir. Besides, there's no need for that. I don't want you to start seeing me with bad eyes.
Why? Why should I see you with bad eyes? I'm your boss. This is my office. And remember that you said you do anything to please me. Is this part of the anything?
Sir, let's leave that talk for now. Please, sir, I want to beg you for something. Sir, my mother in the village, she's dying, sir. Sir, I don't know if you can help me with some money, sir. No, from my salary, even if it's half of it, sir, I will appreciate. Let me quickly rush to the village and give it to her for medication, sir.
So, how does it feel now? You know this world is round. Now you are the one begging. Meanwhile, all the while I have been begging just for a very simple hug. You won't give me. You are making guy. See, Asa, if you can just agree with me now, we'll go to a hotel and have a very nice time. After that, I will do anything you want. See, even if it is 3 months salary that you want, I will do it for you. I'm capable, you know.
Oh, sir, Mbanuna, please, sir. Sir, don't look at my body. Don't give me this kind of condition if you want to help me. Just help me from your church mind.
Asa.
Leave this my body.
Your body is the issue. That's exactly what I want. Listen, Asa, I love you. I'm ready to do anything for you.
Oh.
Just make me happy.
Sir, no.
Come, let's go to her.
Sir, please, just help me like that. Just leave my body. Just help me. Use your church mind. Oh, because
it's okay. You don't want to do. No problem. When you are ready, you will call me.
Sir, please. Sir? Sir, please, sir.
Yeah, come on.
No, leave me alone. Leave me. I'm not going anywhere.
I'll give you a slap. Oh yeah, get into the car.
I'm not going.
If I slap you, Mama. Your name is?
Elders, you're welcome.
You go there. Welcome. What is going on? I don't know.
Colin, go and get chair for them, please. Get it. Let's sit down.
Everyone can't get in.
I thought you would not leave your sales girl and come out. That girl now, like maybe you show. That girl is making you crazy.
But sit down, Harry. As if you will not rush her. If I give you 1 minute with that girl now, you will rush her and just kill yourself. Huh? Don't think I didn't see you when you were looking at her in the morning. Just when she went to throw those beans. I saw you. You were looking at her. Manaya naga wara. Don't worry.
Honestly, I just like that girl. If you can just spare one night. Ufuabane, honestly, take that Japanese connection. Blue Gawa, honestly.
Harry, you must be mad. You and I who will give each other a connection. I wouldn't win Japan, when Soweto, when London, when China, when Holland, when America. Huh? Please, let's say the reason we are here first. But wait, so in your mind, you believe that I will spare a minute for that girl with you? You think so? That girl that I cherish so much? A girl that I've been dreaming to have all my life. Exactly that kind of curve, that kind of boobs. Eh? You must be dreaming. That girl, it was an opportunity that God gave to me. Thank God she came that day. She was looking for a job in my shop. And that opportunity, I seized it and I will never leave it. I must enjoy it to the fullest.
This girl will make you mad. This girl, if
that girl, I want to live in psychiatric hospital.
Anyway, no problem. Let me even tell you the reason why I invited you. The chairman of the union said that we should all contribute 100,000. 100,000 each for that solar system project.
But that's good now. Solar system is good.
So that you'll be taking high to the...
No, that's not it. I mean, we can be watching football matches and all. Why be Nenebe what?
Oh, you very like
drink.
We'll go there. That is why we are here. Collins, I am happy you are here as the head of the family.
Icheibe, you're welcome. If not that you're here in my house today, the tune I want to use to say this won't be the tune I would have used. And for the fact that you are a man that everybody respects in this village, I respect you too. I'm sorry to say this. Norman Wam will not marry Kene.
Ugodia. But the girl in question, Norma, is interested.
Yes, Ichie. I'm interested.
That's why they want to drag me.
Hey, shut up.
That is why they want to bundle me to the city. I love Ekene and I want to marry him.
Hey, shut up.
Ugodia. You and your sons are not getting it right at all. Huh? I was told how your sons came to the house to warn Kenechukwu. And you know that this is issue of marriage. We are talking about marriage here.
Hey, Chair. I greet you all. It's still that mark of respect that I will be very nice to you people. If not, I would have sent him out of our house now. But let me respect you all. Please, with all due respect, I want you to go. Leave my house now. Bikon.
Ichie, it is good that you recognize that Collins here is the head of the family. And he has spoken. He said you people should go and we will get back to you. So Bikon.
Why are you guys doing this? Eh? Why are you doing this to me? Our fellow man.
Kenechukwu, hold on. Ugo dear, I don't expect this from you and your sons. I've not forgotten how useful Kenechukwu here was to this family. I don't know why you people hate him so much to the extent that I, Ibe, is here. And all of you are speaking from one side of your mouth. Is it right?
My elders, I am sorry. But for crying out loud, the girl in question is my daughter. Don't I have the right again to say what happens in my family? As far as I'm concerned, I don't see it as any sign of disrespect.
Ugodie, I take it as one. You know, the issue here is about marriage. Who knows tomorrow?
I actually am tomorrow. We don't want to know tomorrow. Leave our house.
A great men that spend money do not wait for tomorrow before they spend their money. They spend it today.
Stop this thing. I go see about one. Stop this thing.
I go say back one.
Baby, do not beg them. Whether they like it or not, I will marry you.
Come and start.
What am I even doing here, sir?
Mama, come here.
You guys should stop this.
You better come back.
We'll go there.
Think of what you are doing with your sons.
We'll go there, think it twice.
Brothers, let's go.
Stop there! Stop there!
You want to enjoy yourself? Eh? What is your problem? Eh? Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up. Bulia. Stay clear from my family. Stay clear from my family. Stay clear. I said stay clear from my family. Shut up. I said stay clear from my family. Come on, stay clear from my family.
Stop it! I don't want to fight you.
That thing you're looking for, I get it.
I'm a black belt.
Black belt, white trouser, I don't care. Black belt, white trouser, I don't care.
It's not fair now. This family hate me so much. Why? Why do they hate me like this? What is this?
I will marry Kenneth. Nothing will make me not to marry Kenneth. What is that about to get me down?
Hey, shut up! Metron also. Metron, Tiana. But where any mota? Open it. Get ready to die. Hey,
if I slap you.
Dikeh by mota also. Come out here now. You're going back to the city with us today. You are going back to the city with us today.
Mama, this is not fair. See, I'll marry again, whether you people like it or not. Else, I will die.
Then get ready to die. Yes, get ready to die because you are going back to the city with us today. And I've said it.
Norma, what is wrong with you? Why can't you reason with your family? Eh? So you want to get married into that family that their guests will never get married. Their guests don't marry. So that what is happening to their guests will happen to your own lineage. Eh? Mama. So you want it to happen to your lineage? Norma.
Mama, let it happen to me. Let it happen to me.
I better call Alright, let's go. I said let's go.
Let's go. I can't carry my bag. You can carry my bag now.
Go and get your bag. Get your bag.
Mama, I'm coming.
Get your bag now. No, get your bag.
You better have your
right, so. May I say so? That bag I say back. I'm going to go by side. Fast.
What is it?
This is the beginning.
Are you by any chance laughing at us? Even when Ishe is here?
Ishe, Biko, can't we laugh in peace in our father's house again? Or Guinea?
Is he talking to me? Are you talking to me? It is obvious. Very obvious the marriage didn't work.
It did not work.
This is just the beginning. You went to marry without the first daughter. You see what? Hey!
if a marriage is
my elders, I am so sorry for all the embarrassment you got today.
Kenechukwu, it's not your fault. Don't worry. Things will soon normalize. Eh? Don't feel so badly. Oh? If they say you should not marry the girl, leave her alone. It's okay. Huh?
Ichie, what will I do now?
Kene, do nothing. Do nothing, ma'am. Since you have made your intentions known to them and they refused, go elsewhere and look for a wife. Don't go into marriage, you have to beg the family. Go where you will be celebrated and not tolerated. You know, go, ma'am. Oh? Kene? I'm on God, I'm going to die.
Get this girl, no. Norma. 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 No. Mama. Mama. Simon. Mama. Simon.
Colin.
Mama.
You please rush her to the hospital. So because of a boy, you want to kill yourself. What has come over my daughter?
Don't do this. Dikeh. No.
Life will teach you a lesson. It's up to you to learn. Life will teach you a lesson. It's up to you to learn. Echidimi, oh, namo, corona pamnebe, so di marobi mo. Echidimi, oh, namo, corona pamnebe, so di marriage you.
I want everybody to listen. Biko, Yenumunti. Please, Biko, I call this meeting for peace sake. Yes, because I don't like the way things are going in this family. I couldn't marry the woman I love. Amaka couldn't marry the man that came to seek her hand in marriage. Eh? Is it not a shameful thing? Okay, if you see, I want to give 3 of you the land so you can sell it and share the money amongst yourself so peace can reign in this family. Eh? This is shameful now. I couldn't marry. Let's see if Amaka will marry now. Eh? Please, for peace sake, I don't like the way people are seeing this family anymore. I don't like it. If you I want us to start living in peace in this house. Share the money amongst yourself.
You're a foolish boy. You are a fool. So I am the devil now. Eh? I'm the problem here. I am the first daughter of this family. I am the first fruit of let Mr. and Mrs. Micheal and Zekwa Konkwa of Umudim. Are you?
I demand absolute and magnified respect from you. Kiwa be idiot. After insulting me before your kinsmen, making me look like a child. Ibiaba, Yom Biko, Kampatuo, Li Jonsiono. Because you want to marry. You want to get married. If for that marriage, it will not happen. You see this family? I am going to create trouble. That whenever people hear about this family, license.
Anyway, let's hear him out. Now that he's begging.
Shut up your mouth. What do you know? What do you know? You think we don't know what Kene is trying to do? He's trying to pet us so that he'll get married first. But you have failed. It is not going to work. You have failed. You are a fool. You are a fool.
Greedy boy. Now, you want to give me one portion of land out of many lands that our late father left. Eh? One. Then I will share with them. Eh? Ina puala. Kanachku atagorani si. See, if you want peace in this house, I will have one portion of land to my name, and they will have one portion each. You will let the rest. Will not know the rest. Plantation, bulu, everything. Otherwise, did you hear me? Then after that, you will beg me before your kinsmen. That is where I will hear what you are saying. Makaketa in Akajambene. If not, otherwise, you see this war? Let it begin. Let it begin.
Let it continue. And let it continue. Take your accent.
I wanted to support you small. But you heard what they said. Eh? Do something, oh. Do something, Kene. If my own starts. If my own starts.
Hello? Says girl, what is it? Eh? Why are you calling my husband by this time of the night? Hello? Hello?
What is it? Why are you making us? Hey, come on, keep my phone. What can you do with my phone? Can you imagine? So there was a call on it and you picked it. What's wrong with you?
I knew it. I said it. I knew that this will come to light. Romanus, so you saved her name with Asa, my girl. You put Asa and added my girl.
Why would you even pick my phone in the first time? In the first place, why? Are you supposed to pick it? Don't you know what they call privacy? Have you gone mad or something? Don't try it again, no.
Why won't I answer your call? Eh? Am I not your wife? Romanus, is there anything you are hiding? Tell me. Eh? When will she be calling you by this time of the night?
Tell me, you two. Is there anything bad in my sales girl calling me by this time? Do you know what she wants to tell me? Do you know whether it was very important? You know, it's in the night that all these shops always burn. Do you know if that's what she wants to tell me? They are picking my call. Don't do that again.
So why didn't she tell me the shop was burning when she heard my voice? She just cut off the call. Eh?
Luchy, I know they told you that used to answer that call. And that's why she must have dropped it. She didn't want to insult you or maybe just disrespect you. Don't do it again. Phone is private. Don't pick my phone. I don't pick your own. Don't do it again.
Romanus, there is no problem. Tomorrow morning I will come to that shop and tell her the full definition of a wife. Full definition of Jennifer.
Ishinasi, that is a big lie. Just let me see these two left legs in my shop. You see what I'll do. I'll cut them off. Don't try to come to my shop. I will just cut off those legs of yours.
You had better go and buy the knife and keep.
Shop is now where you... Is that your phone you should be cooking?
Buy the knife and keep. Buy the knife and wait for me at the shop tomorrow.
Let me see you in the shop. This woman, what you following this girl now? Eh? Girl, I've been trying so hard to convince. And even call her. As I pick your call. I'm sure she will think she's the one calling her now.
Sister, but how was he wrong? Huh? No, tell me.
Will you get her from there? Eh? I said it. You have a shallow brain. Small talk like this, your brain will be washed.
Sister, don't mind this girl. I can see she still wants to get married. You are not hearing what I mean. We have been married before. You should listen to us. Don't mind Kenel. He's a man. He doesn't know anything about marriage. We are women. Follow our footsteps. Don't follow that boy's footsteps. Oh.
God forbid.
Okay.
Which footstep? Where did your footstep lead you to?
Okay.
Can't follow your footstep.
Okay. I'm saying it now. It looks like our mouth is smelling. It will happen to you. Your eye go clear.
Ozoma, leave her. By the time a man will use you to his taste, he will look for one thing and say that you did. Then he will push you. Just like Romanus did to me. If Rebeno. From now on, I am going to look for a boy. Tall, lanky, sweet, that boy. Energetico. To start making babies with.
Sister.
Me. No, that's my nature marriage. My dear, you should start thinking as such. What will you in a marriage or worry? Days are gone when people want to die in marriage. You see nowadays, nobody wants that. If a man wants to live peacefully with you, fine and good. If he doesn't, he walk our door, just like I did with Romanus. Once I start my business, I'll start making babies and prepare myself for old age, even all the risk. As for Roma, news is a closed chapter. Marriage.
Sister, I see you both don't get it. You don't get it. You need to understand that we are now an object of caricature in this village. So this compound is where you don't see somebody getting married.
Who cares?
It's a cause.
Who cares?
And I don't want that. Actually,
be listening to them. Who cares? Let them say whatever they want to say. They have their mouths. Let them say it. All I am saying right now is we need to put our heads together to put fire on Kenne's ass so that he will do everything Sister asked him to do. Else, me, I will give him hello. I will give him fire. I will give him fire.
My dear, talk about what you know and live about what you don't know. Let me re-educate you. Makamam. When it comes to matters that concerns marriage, it is blank. You see, in this kindred, there are so many women who cannot stand their ground to prove that this man or this man is who gave birth to their children. I am telling you, some of them want, a lot of men cannot impregnate women, but they have children. Instead of me staying in a man's house, going pium 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 pium, I decided to come back to my father's house, where I have rights, because I have inheritance here, and I must get it. Oh, instead of you, you want
to get married.
Better rethink.
You are not even ashamed now.
You want to get married? Who is marriage like?
I want to marry. I want to marry.
Baby, why did you want to kill yourself?
Baby, I'm sorry. I just wanted to prove my love.
No, you shouldn't have done that. Yeah? So if your brothers didn't come, you would have been a dead person by now. Then who would I have married? Eh? There is problem already. Eh? But I want to tell you that our love will conquer. Okay? Soon all these things will be over. Okay? Shouldn't have done that.
I just want you to know that I love you. I really do.
I know you do, I know, but you shouldn't have.
Your food is ready. Go inside and take your food. So you can take your medicine.
Mama, bring it here. I want to eat with my
baby.
baby.
I don't have that kind of time. Go inside and eat your food. Kene, it's good you're here. My sons left this morning back to the city. And we agreed that you should come with your elders. Come and pay her dowry. Marry her. Take her to your house.
Oh my God.
But I want to warn you. If anything happens to my daughter, Kene, you will see the other side of Ugodia. You will see that bad aspect of me. Warn your sisters to stay clear from my daughter. Oh yeah.
Mama, I want to thank you for all your conclusions. I appreciate. Thank you so much. And I want to promise you today that nothing is going to happen to her. I will take care of her with all my life. Okay, Mama? I will take her away from my sisters. They won't have anything to do with her. Mama, have a plan. There is this job I'm trying to get. Okay? I want to come and pay her dowry. After paying that, then I'll go and secure the job, then take her back to the city with me and take her away from my sisters. And all these problems will end.
Mama, it's true.
I promise.
Can I have plans for me?
Go and eat and take your medicine. You know you're supposed to take your medicine this morning. Because
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Right. I'm so happy too.
Baby, you have to start going. You can't continue to wait for Ichi now.
No, I will wait till he comes. I will wait. I need to hand things over to him before I start going. Or do you want to go and stay with your mother?
No, you don't expect me to run away from my home. Your sisters will not eat me up. And besides, why do you make me feel like I'm a baby?
Because you're my baby.
I'm not.
Anyway, I know my sisters will not eat you up. I really want to organize things and make sure I get a place that we can stay. So once I come back, I do the traditional marriage, white wedding.
I can't
Then
wait.
we go back. Okay, money is no longer the problem.
Oh, baby, come on, do and start going. Okay, come and give me a hug.
You hate you like
Babe, my tummy.
What is it? Do you still take your drugs?
Yes, baby, I'm fine. Don't worry. Come, let me see you off.
Okay, let's go.